Want your favorite memories right on your iPhone home screen? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to add a photo widget, step by step. Step 1. Go to the home screen you want to customize and touch anywhere on the empty area. Press and hold until all your apps start to wiggle. This is called jiggle mode. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the plus icon to add a widget. This opens the widget menu. You'll see a scrollable list of apps and widgets you can add. If you don't see photos right away, just swipe down and type photos into the search bar at the top. Tap the Photos widget from the list. This opens the preview for the Photos widget options. Swipe to choose the widget size you like, small, medium, or large, depending on how much space you want your photos to take. When you're happy with the size, tap Add Widget. It will drop onto your home screen automatically. Press and drag the widget to move it. Slide it into the exact spot you want on your home screen layout. When it's in the right place, tap anywhere blank or press the side button to exit jiggle mode and lock it in. That's it. Your favorite photos are now front and center. Every time you unlock your iPhone, you'll get a little snapshot of your best moments.